A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. This tutorial series is rolled out to put you on the road to excellence to make you an expert PHP and MySQL developer in no time. PHP and MySQL both are voluminous subjects, but this series is designed in such way in which you will learn more in less time. Here's the outline of this series. You will be provided step-by-step instructions to set up a development environment on your own PC to execute the exercises provided in these tutorials. You will be guided to install all the required software that you can download for free. This section will give you a broad overview of structured query language and database handling, such as data types, table creation, create, retrieve, update, and delete data from database tables. In the PHP introductory section, you will be briefed about PHP, which is a server-side scripting language. You will learn about PHP variables, arrays, session, functions, and more. These brief introductory sections are very important as they lay firm foundation of PHP and MySQL. The essence of this video series is an e-commerce website project comprising static and data-driven, responsive web pages that can be viewed on any device. The inspirational approach adopted in this part will keep your learning spirit high till the final video of this series. The home page of the e-commerce project is a static page. Let's first have a look at this page. The static part of this project consists of this home page that is rendered when a visitor visits this site. It contains various sections including a main menu, a navigation bar, and the website title. The section under the main menu displays a series of rotating images. The middle part of this project shows services, testimonials, recent news, and contact sections. The bottom part of the home page contains the website footer showing copyright information and social media links. The footer will be displayed on every page of the project. Most of the pages in this project will interact with the MySQL database to store and retrieve information. Let's go through these data-driven pages. This is a contact form that is used to receive visitors' comments and stores these comments in the database. This module will teach you how to add different types of elements, such as text boxes, select list, radio group, checkboxes, and more to a web page to receive input. The newsletter section will allow site visitors to subscribe to companies' newsletters. You will create this login interface for site administrators who will perform admin-related tasks. Using this product categories page, administrators can view, add, update, and delete product categories. Individual products can be viewed, added, updated, and deleted using this page. Orders placed by customers can be viewed, shipped, and deleted using this page. Use this page to add, update, and delete admin users. In the Members module, you will create interface for site members. Allow new users to become members using this registration link. Add password recovery module to the project. This module will allow site members to retrieve a random password in their registered email accounts and reset their passwords. The Manage Your Account page lets users edit their information and review their orders. The Featured Products catalog page will be added to the website to display featured products. This page will show featured products along with images, short descriptions, and prices. The Product Details page will provide complete details about the selected product and will have an Add to Cart button. Once the member clicks the Add to Cart button, he will be brought to the Shopping Cart page to check the cart. The cart page will contain a checkout link. When this link is clicked, the member will be taken to the payment page that will accept credit card information from the member. Once you complete all these modules, the final part of this video series will provide guidance on how to deploy a website on a host server to make it accessible to the world. Examples speak 1,000 words. So roll up your sleeves and get ready for the adventure. But before you start your exploration journey, keep in mind a famous adage which says slow and steady wins the race. So, remain steady during this venture and keep the ball rolling unless you get to the last mile. If you are ready for this exploration journey, then please subscribe to Tech Mining. The more the subscribers, the more rapidly we will produce the videos for this series. Thank you for watching.